Hi, Melody Gilmore here at the Realty Firm. I'm here to show you my newest listing.
Welcome to Tiny Beaches.
This beautiful beachfront home is amazing. Hi, I'm Melody Gilmore with the Realty Firm, and I'm here to tell you how amazing Mosaic Minds is. I always do a virtual tour with him. I get such great feedback, and I have people telling me how much they like it and how much it just looks like they've just done the walkthrough. We've been working together for over 3 years, and he has helped my business immensely. So today is an exciting day because the interest rates have just come down.
You know, I say it's time to wake up, wise up, and rise up.
One of my specialties is coaching clients on how to successfully flip residential properties.
Reports have shown that waterproofing only accounts for 1% of a building's construction, but when ignored, it can be responsible for almost 90% of the damage.
I can't say enough about him, so yes, if you're not using him, you should be.